What is vlog? A video blog or vlog is a form of blog for which the medium is video. In recent years, vlogging has spawned a large community on social media, becoming one of the most popular forms of digital entertainment. Vlogs can deliver deep context through imagery as opposed to written blogs. The first ever vlog dates back to 1980s when Nelson Sullivan, the artist, recorded videos around New York City and South Carolina, in a vlog-like style. Vlogging saw a strong increase in popularity beginning in 2005. The convergence of mobile phones with digital cameras allows publishing of video content to the web almost as it is recorded. Platforms like YouTube have created a place to bring strangers together to reassure each other of their own experiences. Okay, why do we need vlogs? Vlogs have made it possible to learn about a vlogger's persona, culture, and impressions using non-verbal hints. Education. Vlogging has been experimented with school systems to determine if it is a reliable platform to deliver higher educational practices to students. Health. Vlogging creates support for people who suffer from chronic illnesses to inform and create closure. Online influence and monetization. The popularity of vlogs on platforms like YouTube has risen exponentially in the past few years. Out of the top 100 most subscribed YouTube channels, 17 provide vlogs as their primary style of footage. Most of the vloggers are part of monetization programs, which professionalize the industry with monetary gains. Did we help you learn the whys?